everyone, this is Adeline. Welcome back to my channel. Today's crochet project, crochet floating bow hair clip, is perfect for beginners. We only use basic stitches, chain stitch and single crochet. Start with the foundation chain. This is your starting chain. Each yarn over and pull through makes one chain stitch. Chain 141 stitches. You can adjust the size by changing the number of chains. After finish the foundation chain, work back with single crochet starting from the second stitch from the hook. When making single crochet, you need to add the wire. Insert the hook into the second last stitch. Take the thin wire and place it on the hook and crochet it together. Yarn over, pull through, and complete one single crochet. Then continue making single crochet across. Keep the wire together above the hook as you crochet. Continue until the end. At the beginning side, fold the other end of the wire and hide it inside the yarn. After the last single crochet, chain 1 and cut the yarn. Hold the starting side and tighten up the piece. Pull it flat and straight. Then cut the wire and hide the ends at the back. only about 10 centimeters at the start. Wrap the piece forward and place it on top to form a cross shape. Then fold it to the back, wrap it upward, and adjust the curve. Place it over the previous crossing point, then bend it downward. Use a pen or similar things as a guide and wrap it around a few times on the top. Remove the pen and shape it nicely. Then you can use glue to fix any loose parts and finally attach the heel clip. And that's it. The bow heel clip is finished. Thank you for crocheting with me, and I will see you in the next tutorial.